Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form field set elements. The field set element is used to group related data in a form. Quickly, I'm going to show you how it works. This is our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial, and right now let's check our code. This is our code, right? Quickly, let's specify field set, form field set inside our form right here. I'm going to show you why this field set. Inside this field set is where we are going to keep all our inputs. Let's even keep the button itself. Let's keep the button also, all the inputs, the buttons, the text area, everything. Let's place it inside our field set here and reload our document and see what we are having. Can you see? We are having another frame inside what? Inside our form element. Let me bring it back so you can understand what I'm talking about. This is field set. We are having opening and closing field set element right here. Now let me save our document. Reload. Can you see we are having this frame at the top? Let me break it so you can see what I'm showing you clearly. Let's give it BR. This BR tag is for breaking line. I've discussed about it separately. So can you see we have break the page, right? So now we have break the line. So now let me show you something. Let's say for instance now we want to have input, right? Let's have input times 4 of them. Let's have like 4 or times 5. So let's just quickly use this. I just want to use this for example. I don't want to arrange anything. Can you see we're having like 1 2 3 4 4 5. We're having 5 inputs. So as you can see, these inputs, all these inputs now, they are now inside one frame. So that's the benefit of using the frame set, the fit set. So in the future, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this in a reasonable way. So because I don't want this tutorial to get too long, let me copy and paste this so you can see how it looks. What we are going to do in the next future, you are going to see how it's going to look in our document reasonably. All these also, they are so sensitive. I will remove this legend at the top. I'm just going to use the field set so you can see how it looks. Can you see a frame? Can you see a frame around our what? Around our input and label? As you can see, this is our label, this is our input, this is our label, this is our input, label, input, and submit button, right? And everything is looking nice when we are having it inside our field set. So this field set is just like let's call it it's just a frame. Let's call it a frame where we can keep our input elements so it can look neat, and our label also, and our submit, everything we can place it inside so it can look neat. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this in a more advanced way. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day, and to the next tutorial.